So you had a mentor in the Speaker Mentorship Programme. So I'd like to know what impact or what influence did your mentor have on this whole experience?
Firstly, I would like to appreciate EuroPython for this mentorship program, and I want to encourage them to go to do more about it and to don't give up about that. And he said I should promise that Wednesday I'll be coming to EuroPython and coming as a speaker on talk, not with poster presentation.
Wow, yeah, it's very nice to know that your mentor encouraged you. If you describe the Speaker Mentorship Program in one word, what would it be?
Superb.
Yes, the Speaker Mentorship Program is superb. Hi Kayode, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay, so my name is Ashiorkor Nortey, and I'm the lead for the Speaker Mentorship Program for EuroPython 2025, and I have one of the wonderful mentees from this year's Speaker Mentorship Program, and I'd like to know about his experience with the program and how his speaking experience has gone. So Kayode, can start by introducing yourself.
Okay, thank you very much, Ashino. My name is Kayode Oladapo. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a researcher, a data scientist from McPherson University.
Great, all the way from Africa. That's like
Yes.
a huge journey.
Yeah, that's why I came with my PyCon Africa
Great,
t-shirt.
great. That's really nice. So I know you presented a poster,
Yes.
and that's like a bit different from talking on stage. But I'd like to know from you. Okay, how was your experience presenting the poster?
Yeah, it was an interesting experience. It's worth coming for. To showcase what we've been doing in my university and also what we've been doing using Python to teach and learn, and also for research. My poster is majorly on psychological model for mapping students and prediction of students' stress level.
Okay, that's very interesting. So the people that came for the poster presentation, what was their general view about what you presented? Were they very curious about it? Did they enjoy it?
Yes, they were very curious, and I've seen one or two that have even given me an advice on how to improve
Wow.
the work. When it comes to stress level, it differs at various institutions and also location, depending on your country. So depending on your university, because basically your facilities and infrastructures, if they are not there, it definitely affect the stress level of students. So that's why I told them specifically that the poster is majorly about the African setting and also limited to my university.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. So you had a mentor in the Speaker Mentorship Program. So I'd like to know what impact or what influence did your mentor have on this whole experience?
Firstly, I would like to appreciate EuroPython for this mentorship program, and I want to encourage them to go to do more about it and to don't give up about that. I enjoyed my mentorship program. It was with an associate professor from Germany.
Wow.
So we had our meeting like 3 times, and he was able to put me through the step of giving a talk. Though I told him that my program is all about poster, and he gave me some idea of how I can go about my talk. And he said I should promise that Wednesday I'll be coming to EuroPython and coming as a speaker on talk, not with poster presentation.
Wow, yeah, it's very nice to know that your mentor encouraged you, because there are times where you just need that encouragement or just that push for you to take that step. So that's really good. That's such huge impact. So the next thing I'd like to know is so you did your poster presentation like a few minutes or a few hours ago, right? So if you do something differently about your poster presentation, what would it be?
Is to showcase my work as a talk. such that it will be, I can as well use the model and come out with and see how I can spread out the model for people to make use of. Instead of you making it just for poster. Presentation, I need to give it out and make it more like that was one of them. One of the people advised that I should make it more like a source or an open source software that people can actually make use to predict stress level, where students can go in, put in their data, and they can as well know whether they are stressed or not.
Wow, that's so impactful. Like, wow, that's really good. That's very helpful. That's very good. I'm happy for you, and I look forward to like and mirror submissions from you next year and for EuroPython 2026. And the last thing I'd like to ask you is, if you describe the Speaker Mentorship Program in one word, what would it be?
Superb.
Yes, the Speaker Mentorship Program is superb. So it's been just very great chatting with you and learning about your experience with the Speaker Mentorship Program. And like he said, the program was superb, and he has gotten such encouragement and such direction that next time he should put in a proposal to give in a talk rather than a poster. And I think that's very impactful. You can't get that from sitting in your home or not interacting with people or not having a mentor. So if you are thinking of applying for EuroPython 2026 next year, just look out for the Speaker Mentorship Program and put in an application, and you'll be paired with a mentor to guide you. So thank you, Kayode, and we wish you the very best.
Thank you for your committee. You're doing well.
You're welcome.
And also thank you, EuroPython, for giving this opportunity.
You're welcome. Great.